I'm Amana.
I'm Krish.
We're going to present our work, When Sex Becomes Intimate.
This is a seminar that we developed because we noticed that for intimate couples, sexuality changes with time. And part of the reason it changes is because people become more vulnerable. And when they become more vulnerable, things come up that may not come up when we're just relating more casually with a sexual partner.
So in this workshop, we're going to be exploring a more deeper, intimate connection to your own body, but also learning more about your needs, about your feelings, and about communication. So this workshop, it's not a Tantra workshop. We're not going to teach any love-making techniques at all. We're really working with the wounds that we bring into our sexuality, into our relating, and we're looking at how those wounds can influence and even sabotage the sexuality and the relationship when we're not aware of it.
And as we become deeper, as we become more vulnerable, it is natural that fears and insecurities may surface that didn't surface when we were relating sexually in a more casual way. But when this deeper sensitivity surfaces, it actually can lead to deeper intimacy if we know how to deal with them and communicate them. And that's what we're going to be working with in this seminar.
So in these 5 days, we're going to be working very gently to explore these issues. Our work is not confrontational. It's very gentle, and you can really go in your own way, your own pace. And even though it's a group, you're very much going to be in your own experience.
But we're also going to be guiding you in exercises to communicate, to share, either with a partner if you come with a partner, or just getting in the habit more comfortable with sharing these deeper aspects of yourself in a safe environment.
But it is important to know that you're welcome to come even if you don't have a partner right now in your life. So you can come alone or with a partner and do the work.
So basically this is a seminar about intimacy, as is all our seminars, but this one specifically deals with our sexuality. Again, with what we call deep and sensitive sexuality.